Hello friends, I am Colonel Padmanabhan. Today I am going to talk, should India have attacked Pakistan immediately after the 26/11 Mumbai terrorist attack. On this ensuing 26th November, the event would be completing 12 years. From 26th November 2008 to 29th November, 10 terrorists belonging to Lashkar-e-Taiba from Pakistan came to Mumbai and carried out 12 coordinated shooting and bombing operations, killing 174 people and injuring more than 300 people. Out of these 174 persons killed, 9 of the 10 terrorists are also included. The only survivor is Ajmal Kazab, who was hanged on the 21st November 2012 at Yerwada jail in Pune. In 2008, I was in uniform, and like many other Indians, my immediate reaction was India should have launched a limited attack. But however, India did not. And I realized it would have caused more harm than good. So I shall be narrating what are the reasons why India did not go in for an attack. Before that, I would earnestly request each one of you to kindly subscribe and share my channel with your friends and families. The first reason is it would have created an India-Pakistan dispute like 1948. Immediately after the independence, Pakistan army disguised as tribal raiders intruded into Jammu Kashmir, started killing, looting and creating mayhem amongst the public. The then Maharaja Hari Singh, after signing the Instrument of Accession Treaty with India, got the Indian army flown in and stabilized the situation. When Indian army got involved, that was the time Pakistan approached United Nations and launched a complaint against India. And United Nations got convinced that India is equally responsible for the first Kashmir war. And a ceasefire line was enforced, because of which we lost Skardu Taluk, which was part of Ladakh district. It has gone into the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, part of Gilgit Baltistan. Had India attacked after the 2008 attack, it would have created the same situation. The second reason is the newly found Pakistan government under Asif Zardari, who was the president, enjoyed a cordial relation with India. And had India again attacked, Pakistan government willy-nilly had to support the Pakistan army. Pakistan army never liked India and Pakistan having cordial relationship. In fact, on the day of the attack, then Foreign Minister S.M. Qureshi, he was to visit India. Before the attack, Pakistan army mobilized in the India-Pakistan border. After the attack, Indian army mobilized to the border, and to this Pakistan army cried wolf. Thirdly, had India attacked, it would have hardly got any tangible results, because all the Lashkar-e-Taiba headquarters and camps, they were of temporary structure, that is made of tin sheets and mud houses. So even if you attack and if you destroy these, re-erecting was much easier and therefore must not have made any impact as such. Also, they cited all these temporary camps, structures adjacent to the hospitals and schools. So if India attacks, this would have caused collateral damage, killing a couple of school children or patients. then again Pakistan government would have taken India to United Nations, violating or blaming India for violating the humanitarian norms. Thirdly, the possibility of getting the perpetrators into the ambit of justice was, as it is, very minimal, and had India attacked, it would have further lowered the possibility. Next, the fifth reason was, in 2008, the world was undergoing an unprecedented financial crisis. So, had India attacked, the war would have costed more finance and it would have impeded or adversely affected our economic growth. By not attacking Pakistan immediately after the attack, India could approach or put pressure on United Nations and world nations to put pressure on the Pakistan. And as a consequence, the United Nations declared all the participants of the attack as terrorists. Also, Pakistan police immediately sealed all the Lashkar-e-Taiba offices, and the Hafiz Saeed was put under house arrest, and the ringleader of the attack, Zakirur Rahman, he was also put behind a bar. So these are the reasons why India did not attack Pakistan immediately after the terrorist attack. May I earnestly request all of you once again subscribe and share my channels. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.